Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 3, Lesson 18. Often, the verb isn't just one word. It's a little team of words working together. Today we'll learn how to read that team, the main verb that carries the meaning, and the helping verbs that support it. Let's start with the big picture. A verb phrase is one or more helping verbs plus a single main verb. Take this team. Has been waiting. All three words together make one verb phrase. The main verb is the last one, waiting, and it carries the real meaning. The words in front of it, has and been, are helping verbs, and their only job is to support the main verb. So which words can be helpers? They come from a short, friendly list. First, forms of be, am, is, are, was, and were. Second, forms of have, has, and had. Third, forms of do, plus the modals, words like will, can, should, and must. Memorize that little family, because anytime you see one of them in front of another verb, you're probably looking at a verb phrase. Here's a twist that fools people. A word can cut right into the middle of the phrase. Look at did not finish. The helping verb is did, the main verb is finish, but the little word not has wedged in between them. Not is an adverb, not part of the verb, so we just step over it. The verb phrase is still did finish, with not writing along inside. So here's your quick check for any verb phrase. First, find the last verb in the team. That one is always the main verb. Second, look to the left of it. Any forms of be, have, or do, or any modal sitting in front. Those are the helpers. And remember the rule that ties it together. The main verb is the one that carries the meaning. Find the last verb, then look left for the helpers. Let's try a few. In this first set, find the main verb. Remember, it's the last verb in the team, the one that carries the real meaning, while the words in front of it are just helpers. Pause and try each one before I answer. The swimmers are practicing their starts. The verb phrase is are practicing. The last verb, practicing, carries the meaning, so it's the main verb. Are is only the helper, so the answer is practicing. Our pen pals have enjoyed the video. The verb phrase is have enjoyed. The last verb, enjoyed, carries the meaning, so it's the main verb. Have is just the helper, so the answer is enjoyed. Mr. Chen did not reserve the tickets. The helper is did, and the little word not has cut in between. Step over it. The last verb is reserve, and it carries the meaning, so the answer is reserve. Now choose the helping verb that completes the phrase. Quick rule: an ing word, a present participle, takes a form of be. A past participle word takes a form of have. Pause and try each one. Sally blank joining our debate team. The main verb is joining, an ing word, a present participle. Those pair with a form of be, so we need is, not has. So the answer is. Our team blank worked hard to win. The main verb is worked, a past participle. Past participles pair with a form of have, so we need had, not was. So the answer is had. The horses blank running across the park. The main verb is running, an ing word, a present participle. That takes a form of be, and with the plural horses, we use are. So the answer is are. Let's wrap up. A verb phrase is a team, one or more helping verbs plus a single main verb. The main verb comes last and carries the meaning, while the helpers, forms of be, have, do, and the modals sit in front to support it. Watch out for a splitter like not, which can wedge in without joining the verb. To read any phrase, find the last verb for your main verb, then look left for the helpers. Great work!